What's up guys, back at you again with another video. This is of course STEM with Ish. We've got yet another experiment today with, funnily enough, a mason jar, but trust me, this one's really different, okay? But it's still cool. We're gonna be making a homemade lava lamp. So with this, what we're gonna need is, of course, as I mentioned, the mason jar. We're gonna need some vegetable oil, some food coloring to give it some nice flair, some Alka-Seltzer to make it bubble up to get that lava lamp type effect. Please get parent supervision. And some water. I don't have water up here, but that's okay. There's a sink behind me. Give me 1 sec. Wait. Haha. I'm messing up, but that's okay. We're just gonna roll with it. And first, we need to put in the vegetable oil. See? Even the instructor makes mistakes sometimes, so don't feel bad when you do it. Let's go ahead and pour this in. We're gonna need more vegetable oil than we do water. Now the reason why we're doing this is because vegetable oil and water don't really mix and it causes some funky side effects, but trust me, it's really cool. So now that we've got this in, we're gonna go ahead and go to the sink really quick. I'll be right back and fill this up with a little bit of water. So I'm back with some water. As you can see, it's already starting to bubble up. So this is where we're about to get with the experiment. And now what we're gonna need is some food coloring, because we don't want to keep it this boring yellow color. Well, maybe yellow is your favorite color, but I'm gonna go with blue this time. I was gonna do red, but hey, I did red last time. Let's not do that again. So we're gonna go ahead and pour in our food coloring. Looks good to me. And last, let's get to the fun part. Let's get our Alka-Seltzer. Let's take our Alka-Seltzer out. Just plop it in. Whoa, you see that in the middle? It's starting to do it. Let's flare it up a little bit, shall we? I'm gonna add in one more Alka-Seltzer tablet. Look at that thing bubble up. It looks really like a lava lamp. Oh, that's really, really cool. Now to explain what's kind of going on here is oil and water, as I said before, don't really mix. So this is what we call intermolecular polarity. It means that water molecules are just attracted to other water molecules. They get along fine and they can loosely bond together, but this is similar to magnets that are attracted to each other and they're attached to other oil molecules. They get along fine as well, but the structures of the two molecules don't allow them to bond together, so we get this sort of effect. I'm gonna drop another one in here. Wow, that's really, really cool. Look at that. Whoa! I was going really crazy. Ooh, man. That's so cool. I feel like I can just drop like so many in here. This never gets old. That's about it for this experiment. Another fun mason jar experiment. I hope you guys like this one. I really like this one. It looks so cool. I really, really like this. I think you guys will have a lot of fun with this. So be sure to try it out. Of course, like I said, please get parent supervision with the Alka-Seltzers. And once you do that, be sure to show everyone how cool it is you can make a homemade lava lamp. How many people do you know do that? But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna have another cool experiment. You can trust that. But take care and have a good day.